Hey guys, long time no see, but I do have a few extra minutes and I thought that I would sit down and film a quick little plan with me in my mini happy planner dashboard layout, and I thought that I would use the new fall sticker book. I think it's really pretty, so I just wanted to sit down really quick and kind of show you this little setup that I have going on. I showed this little pocket situation on Instagram. I just love the way that it turned out. This is just 12 by 12 scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby that I've cut down to size because it's literally like just the border that has this little scalloped edge, and then these two are just a cute little note from Top Paper Co. And then this one is part of their dot stickers. So I thought that these looked really well here, and I got this inspiration from Plans with Brit over on Instagram, and I think it looks so great. And then I do have this little clear cover, and then just these vellum pieces of paper that really just tie in everything together for my mini happy planner setup. It just gives it that neutral look and vibe that I'm going for, so I love that. And I actually have a little unboxing of the goodies that I got from Fancy Plants Co. So I'll go ahead and link that in case you guys want to check that out. But let's see, let's go ahead and grab the upcoming week. And let's get this out of the way. And let's see, because it's been a while. I've been planning in my planner this whole time that I've been gone. So I do want to do a flip through. I just haven't had the time really to just sit down and do any sort of videos, but there's a lot of them that I want to do. So I do want to use this sticker book, and I went ahead and just grabbed the stickers that I think I'll be using. So of course I do want to start over here, and I did just lay down my shipping label that I've cut down to size, and I'm thinking that I just want to place this one maybe like right over here. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I have been planning in my planners. I just haven't had time to film, but you guys can always find me on Instagram. I'm always posting over there. I just don't always have the time to sit down and film, but I have been planning, so I do want to sit down again and do a little flip through of this past month that I've been gone from YouTube, and I think that's going to be really great, so you guys can see how I've been using my planner and how I've been decorating it too. So hopefully I have some time to do that. So there's that one, and then this one could go just down here. It's nice and it's simple, and I love that. And then let's see. So as far as the right side, I do want to bring some of these orange and teal color over here, so I thought that I would use like these little boxes paired with the acorns. I think that would look really cute. And I think I'm going to do the teal color here because I want to do the same thing on Friday, and I feel that if I put both of the orange ones here, it's gonna be too much. So I think I like this better. So let's see, yeah, like right there. And maybe we could use like this one right here, and this one over here. Okay, so that looks really cute. And I might actually just move that one a little bit over. So let me see if I can just bring it back up, because that left me just a little space on this sticker. So hopefully I can still move it. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna move it a little bit, that way I still have room to write, or maybe add like a little word or something there. I'm not sure. But if I need to write on there, I have the space. And also, I just had a little update as well. I did want to let you guys know that I was recently accepted to the Happy Planner affiliate program. And I am just super excited that I have the opportunity to be part of their program. And I did add it the other day here on my community tab. I don't know if most of you guys saw it, but I did post an affiliate link because they were having a 25% off family and friends sale, and I did post it. I just haven't had time to get on, so I thought that I would mention it here in this video. So if you ever want to just support me by using my link, it'll always be available down in the description box below. And I am just so happy and just really excited to be part of their program. And all of that information will just always be down in the description box below. So let's see. Yeah, maybe this one like right there, because I did want to bring the acorns onto this side. And let's see. That was all of the stickers that I had chosen. But like always, I just like flipping through it and seeing if there's anything else that I would like to add. Because sometimes I just get like a rough idea of what I would like to do. And then now that everything is filled with what I thought that I wanted to use, I'll just go ahead and come back in here and see if there's anything else. I just really love this quote. I'm so glad that I found it, and I love this one too, but this one was such a big sticker for this space, so I went with this one and I loved it. And I like this purple foil. I think it is really pretty. Like all of these are so pretty, but I think they would be way too big for this space. So like this right here and this one way too big, so those ones are much better like in a classic Happy Planner instead of a mini. So I don't know if I'll ever use those ones. And then we do have like these leaves, and I thought about using these ones because I like the fact that these are paper stickers, but they do have a little bit of foil in them, because like this one has basically all foil. So these ones just have a few touches. So I did like that one. And yeah, that is it. So now I do have to make the holes for this little area over here where I added that flower. So let's see. Okay, maybe right about there. I feel like I'm a little rusty, as I haven't done this in about a month, if not longer. Just don't think it's going in here. Or maybe it is, but it's just way too much. I think this one is sticking out. So I do need my scissors, but I don't have them nearby. So let me just grab them really quick. Okay, so here they are. And I think I just need to trim this down first before I even try sticking it in here. So I think that's going to help. Okay, yeah, that was the problem. And like I said, I'm a little rusty, so there we go. Perfect. And now I just have to cut this side, and I think we should be done right there. Okay, so I really love the way that that turned out. I'm loving the color scheme. I'm loving the browns, the teals, the orange, and just how simple it is at the same time with a little bit of stickers. So let's go ahead and put these pages back into the planner, and let's do a quick little flip right over here, and let's see how it looks. I think it looks really, really pretty, very simple, and just really perfect for fall. So I hope you guys like this video. I know I was a little bit rusty and I've been gone for a while, but I just finally had a few minutes to sit down and I thought that I would create this spread for you guys. And like I mentioned before, I am now part of the Happy Planner affiliate program. So if you ever decide to use my code, which will be linked down in the description box below, I would really appreciate it. And I just really love all the support and all the links that you guys have been using with the Notiq covers as well, which I love, by the way. So everything will be linked down below, and thank you so much. And as far as the spread, I just really love the way that it turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.